Welcome all. Let's talk about Newton's law of gravitation. Gravitational force. It is an attractive force between any two objects with certain masses separated by a distance. Consider Earth as the first mass, represented by capital M. Consider now the second small mass. This can be an apple, represented by small m. Now the center to center distance between these two masses is d. Now the gravitational force is acting between these two masses, represented by Fg. This gravitational force is of same magnitude. Now, which mass will accelerate more? Of course, the small mass will accelerate more. That's why apple moves towards Earth and Earth doesn't move towards apple. Here, in order to find the magnitude of this Fg, that is gravitational force, one study has been done. They increased the value of the masses and thereby the product of masses. They found that by doing so they got more gravitational force. Thus we can conclude gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of masses of the two objects as such. So as mass of object will increase, gravitational force will increase. On the other side, when they increase the distance between the masses, they found that the gravitational force Fg reduces with much larger rate. So precisely when study has been done in detail, they found that gravitational force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Now if we combine these two studies, we got a relation between Fg and the masses of the two objects along with the distance in between them. Now to get the exact value of gravitational force Fg, an equation has been developed where they have found out the value of gravitational constant g. The value of gravitational constant of g is provided as such. Now consider a case where you are sitting beside a car. Now you have a particular mass and your car is also having a particular mass. Then why don't the gravitational force act between you and your car? The answer, or why don't you get attracted towards each other? The answer is logical. In the picture there is one more thing here. You, your car and the earth is also present there. Now the gravitational force is there in between you and your car, as well as there is a gravitational force between you and your earth as such. Now as the mass of the earth is far huge, the gravitational force between you and earth is very much larger than you and your car as such. That's why you get attracted towards earth and not towards car.